What's up everybody? Welcome back to Happy English Tutorial. So this is Yasin. So today we're going to have 20 advanced English ዛሬ የምንማረው 20 የሆኑ advanced የሆኑ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ vocabularyዎችን ወይም ቃላቶችን ነው ማለት ነው። So ይሄ የመጀመሪያው ክፍል ነው። 5 ፓርቶች ይኖሩታል። በእነዚህ 5 ፓርቶች 20 አድርገን 100 advanced የሆኑ የእንግሊዘኛ ቋንቋ ቃላቶችን እንማራለን ማለት ነው። Let's jump right in. So the first vocabulary that we have is reckless. Reckless means ግዴለሽ, careless. It is an adjective. Reckless ማለት ግዴለሽ. So it is like very careless ማለት ነው. Reckless.
What can men do against such reckless hate?
So the second one, abrupt. Abrupt means sudden. Abrupt ማለት ድንገት ማለት ነው. So it has also an adverb, abruptly ይባላል. Abruptly means suddenly, በድንገት ማለት ነው. Abrupt or sudden.
I apologize if I appear abrupt.
Third one, eloquent. Eloquent means fluent. አንድን ቋንቋ አቀላጥፎ የሚናገር ወይም ደግሞ በደንብ ያንን ቋንቋ መናገር የሚችል ሰው ማለት ነው.
He was very eloquent on the subject of love, didn't you think?
Fourth one, inevitable. Inevitable ማለት ሊቀር የማይችል ወይም ሊወገድ የማይችል ነገር ነው. For example, death is inevitable. ሞት ሊወገድ የማይችል ነገር ነው. A natural process is inevitable. ሊወገድ የማይችል አንድ የማይቀርን ነገር inevitable ብለን መግለጽ እንችላለን.
It was inevitable that Chris would break away.
Okay, the next one, outgoing describes yourself, your friends, people most of the time. Outgoing means friendly, ተግባቢ, ከሰዎች ጋር መግባባት በቀላሉ የሚችል ሰው outgoing ይባላል ማለት ነው.
He's enterprising, aggressive, outgoing, young, bold, vicious.
Next one, crucial means very important. I would say like this class is crucial. This class is very important if you have a plan to improve your English at one level.
Those are true, and they're crucial.
Okay, the next one, obese. There is also a word, very familiar word, obesity. Obese means ከመጠን ያለፈ ውፍረት ማለት ነው. Obese, በጣም ወፍራም ማለት ነው.
It actually says center for the morbidly obese.
Okay, the next one, frugal means ስግብግብ. Very frugal, በጣም greedy የሆነ ሰው, ስግብግብ የሆነን ሰው መግለጽ እንችላለን. Frugal.
You've got to be more frugal.
The next one, outspoken means someone who is eloquent. Outspoken ማለት ጥሩ መናገር የሚችል orator ማለት ነው. ለፍላፊ ወይም talkative ማለት ሳይሆን ተናግሮ ማሳመን የሚችል ስሜቱን በቀላሉ መግለጽ የሚችል ሰው ወይም ግልጽ የሆነን ሰው outspoken ብለን መግለጽ እንችላለን. Are you guys outspoken? Think about it.
Since when did you get so outspoken?
The next one is greedy. Greedy and frugal are almost the same. They have almost the same meaning. Greedy means እጁ ማይፈታ በጣም ገብጋባ ሰው ማለት ነው.
And if I had a child that was so greedy, I'd sober her up with a darn good spanking.
Next one, hilarious. We don't pronounce this word hilarious. It's hilarious. Hilarious means very funny. በጣም የሚያስቀንን ነገር hilarious ማለት እንችላለን. ያ ነገር ፊልም ሊሆን ይችላል, even person ሊሆን ይችላል. You can say, my sister is hilarious. She is so hilarious. That means my sister is funny. She makes me laugh. Hilarious, በጣም አስቂኝ ሰው.
But what's hilarious is that they do the opposite shit when they get the exact same critiques from someone that society has officially designated as cool.
Okay, next one. brand new. So in American English, this word pronounced new, not new. Brand new means brand new. Brand new means something new. አዲስ የወጣን ነገር ወይም አዲስ ለማለት ከፈለግን especially style ከሆነ model ከሆነ or something new design ከሆነ you can say brand new car, brand new phone, brand new something ማለት ይቻላል ማለት ነው.
Your towels are brand new. Thanks to Karen.
So next one. This word is not positive, it's positive. Positive. Like I said earlier, when T comes between two vowels, we pronounce it like a sound between R and D. We don't say positive, we say positive. Positive. Okay? So positive means certain. እርግጠኛ የሆነ ነገር እንደማለትም ተብሎ ሊተረጎም ይችላል.
It's positive.
Next one, resilient. Resilient is, this is my favorite word. Resilient ከከባድ ችግር ያገገመ ሰው ጠንካራ ማለት ነው. To overcome from a big challenge. Resilient እንለዋለን ማለት ነው.
The people of our greatest city are resilient.
Next one, worthwhile. Worthwhile. Worthwhile means, which is very important, ዋጋ ያለው ማለት ነው. ትርጉም ያለው ነገር worthwhile. ጠቃሚ የሆነ ነገር worthwhile ብለን መግለጽ እንችላለን ማለት ነው.
But you have to understand that I couldn't make enough of a profit to have a sale be worthwhile.
Next one, vague. Vague. Vague means something not clear. ግልጽ ያልሆነ ነገር. Especially for the handwriting. You can say her handwriting is vague. Do you think my handwriting is vague? I don't think so.
If his was more than just a vague ambition, if he was absolutely determined to discover the truth, there's no way we could prevent him.
Next one, I want you to focus on this word's pronunciation. We don't say mandatory. Mandatory means and የምንገደደው ነገር ማለት ነው. ለምሳሌ, as a teacher, there are a lot of mandatories. For example, to be punctual, to be honest, of course, to know what to teach. አንድ ሰው የሚያስተምረውን ነገር ማወቅ አለበት. So ከሚጠበቅበት ነገሮች ውስጥ ወይም ተገቢ ከሚባሉት ነገሮች ውስጥ አንዱ እነዚህ የዘረዘርኳቸው ናቸው. So mandatory የሚጠበቅ ነገር ማለት ነው. For example, if you have a job, what's your mandatory activities? ግድ ልታረጓቸው የሚገቡ ነገሮች ምንድን ናቸው?
Oh, hard work is mandatory, but I think everybody's afraid to admit what a big part luck plays.
The next one, prompt. Prompt. So prompt means instantly. ወዲያው ማለት ነው ወይም በፍጥነት. Maybe you have this friend ቻት ስታረጉት ቶሎ የሚመልስላችሁ ማለት ነው. So እንደዚህ አይነት ሰው ካለ, for example, if your friend is Tom replies promptly ብል like በፍጥነት ይመልሳል ማለት ነው. Instantly ወዲያው ማለት ነው. Prompt.
Very, very important. Pay your supplier prompt.
Filthy. So focus on the pronunciation. Filthy, not filthy. Filthy. Filthy means very dirty. በጣም ቆሻሻ የሆነ ነገር filthy ብለን እንገልጸዋለን ማለት ነው.
Your hands look plenty filthy to me, Commissioner.
Once again, ለማስታወስ ያህል reckless, ግዴለሽ, abrupt, ድንገት, suddenly, sudden, eloquent, fluent, ጥሩ አድርጎ የሚናገር, inevitable, ሊወገድ የማይችል ነገር, እነ ሞት የመሳሰሉት. Outgoing, ተግባቢ, friendly, crucial, very important, በጣም ጠቃሚ, obese, በጣም ወፍራም, ከመጠን ያለፈ ወፍራም, frugal, ገብጋባ, especially ገንዘብ ላይ, outspoken, ተናጋሪ, ግልጽ, greedy, ገብጋባ, which is similar to frugal, hilarious, funny, somebody who makes us laugh, brand new, አዲስ የሆነ ነገር, positive, certain, እርግጠኛ የሆነ ነገር, መልካምም ሊሆን ይችላል, resilient, ከከባድ ወይም ካስቸጋሪ ሁኔታ ውስጥ ብሎ አገግሞ የወጣ ሰው, ያንን ከባድ ሁኔታ ያሸነፈ ማለት ነው። worthwhile ዋጋ የሚሰጠው ወይም ተገቢ። vague ግልጽ ያልሆነ ነገር። mandatory ሊደረግ የሚገባ criteria. mediocre means average አማካኝ ማለት ነው። ወይም መሃል ላይ ያለን ነገር mediocre ማለት ይቻላል። like intermediate እንደምንለው ማለት ነው።
I've seen some of the most mediocre dumbass chicks, but with the right guy, get very far.
Prompt means prompt is instant, ወዲያው. Filthy, very dirty. I hope you enjoy the class. Until next time, see you.